Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a video here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a video in Adobe Express is a simple and intuitive process. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse templates, photos and videos, text, and more for your design or video. Or just hover down here where you can choose from any of these templates. Now, if you want to start from scratch, just click on this option right here so you can upload your own file. Now, creating a video is very simple here in Adobe Express. Let me tell you that, all right? For example, I'm going to be using this kind of a base design. You can add another page here so we can add more elements. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you're going to do is go to the media section. That's going to be on the left side panel of your dashboard, where you can not only add photos, you can also add videos, all right? Now, here are your options. If you want to upload your own video, just click on the upload from your device. That's going to be on your computer, your machine, or whatnot, and upload it directly from here. All right, so you have all these. For example, I'm going to upload my own video, and this is going to be the file. Now, if you want to use the video here, I'm going to resize that. If you want to use the media or the video from the Adobe Express itself, just click on the all this option right here. You can add all the elements and put them all together. So you uploaded your own file from your own device, and of course you also have uploaded the created your own file here. So obviously you have all these options under your disposal. Click on it. All right, so here what we're gonna do is hover down low. I'm gonna shrink it so it maximizes the our canvas right here. And from here, all I have to do is play just to make sure that all the elements are well placed together. And once you have that, that's the easiest way for you to create a video. All right, now you have the option to download as an MP4, and if you want to share this amazing design, just click on the share option here and send it to your boss or your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.